Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you the best way to create a Cash App account in 2026. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time at all, so let's get into it. Alright, the best way to create a Cash App account in 2026 is to start with accuracy and long-term use in mind. Download the official app and register using a phone number or email that you control. Immediately add your legal name and correct date of birth, as mismatched details can cause verification problems later on. Choose a simple professional cash tag that reflects your identity or purpose and avoid using random numbers. Link a valid debit card or bank account during setup to ensure credibility and functionality. Complete identity verification as early as possible instead of waiting until limits are enforced. Enable basic security features from the start so that your account activities appear stable and trustworthy. A properly set up account reduces future restrictions. It also speeds up transactions and, of course, prevents avoidable account issues. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.